occasion we come about. We never really come to do no music, we just come to see where the situation is like. But we love it, you know, so my brother now, the money too tough, you know. I mean, I beg people, you know, we don't beg Marley nothing. We're not afraid to talk on the interview. When I say if we did beg him, we wouldn't give it.
Right.
If we say we are satisfied, the brother will go put away $2 million. But this time we come back and make sure, so we tell the man, say, yo, we are 56, so we go. That's how I left and say, yeah man, no go. The secretary give one paper and say, we must say, this man, on the paper, Mark Sangy Davis, I forgot. So the studio manager, him, I go listen to the music on the cassette we carry. He left the cassette in the tape and I don't know how come my son can't find pan it and where. I feel that when I blame him, I don't want to feel like so why this man had do something to hurt me, you know. You know, my brother, about when I tell you, must have 16, I think. If I'm not lie, you know, 17. I met the first child. When I youth in Japan, my classmate in name Tex. The first time we go link ball, because we love music, you know, and he love music. Even that's why the first time you pass it, I'm singing here and yeah, I love music. But I know I don't get free no music, but I still love music.
Yeah.
So we say we go link ball, because we love music, and as a young youth we smoke and I get little inspiration. So we say, yeah, link ball, that's what the vibes is like. So when my brother plan, so I say, alright, here we go. The first thing we're going to do, you know, text. We have a pizza. I have a magazine with a pizza Marley night. So I make sure we cut it out and put it in a packet for Marley and we go. And we don't get information at 56. Hope if we stop. But the mistake we make now, I don't know if actually we are youth and we shy, I don't know. When we reach a town and realize we are going to ask the bus man say if you reach a 56 airport, because we are stupid. We never tell the man say if you left we are fit. Yeah, we have moved like we know where we are going. And we never know where we are going. The man say no joke, I man no far, we don't have bones, we go and wait for like I say garden town. Yeah. So it costs him more money and we never have enough money. So we lost. So it costs him more money enough to pay for him up there. So now come back down, but this time we come back and make sure. So we tell the man say, yo, we are 56, so where we are go. That's how I left and say, yeah man, no good. And he left with this so. When he reached down the gate, man, you know, in place of principal place, I can just walk in and stop. And when we explain to them, and the gate man, I think we could go in. I make a friend, classmate walk in. And music play, you know. Because I have a big record shop at the front. The music play, pretty narrated, whole place pretty red, green and gold. Things them plant, flowers plant up. Whole heap of man I sell ripe banana over there, so ripe plant, orange. They might cook over the side. You understand what I say? Yeah, things are going. Walk in. Come on, we go for sing. So when I stop outside, you hear the music play. I walk right in the record shop and see a man back turned to within locks, long down. And man nod him head so. I don't forget man, nod him head so to the music with a fee music play too. And man nod him head. Met the first call and he never hear through the music play. We met the second call and he look around and so when I say you would move back to him. And that's how we him start reason we are telling him what occasion we come about. We never really come to do no music, we just come to see where the situation is like. But we love
Welcome on everybody. If you're enjoying my videos on Kareem's Quest, I've got even more great content for you. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for new episodes. And if you want to find some of the best hotels, restaurants, and hidden gems in Jamaica, check out my website, kareemsquest.com. I also curate tours and do itineraries, so feel free to email me at any time.
But we love music, that's what we are telling them. And give it nice reasoning, man, and encouragement, and you know? Yeah, man, for the first time, give it good reasoning. Things where we come from country, we love music, but we just make a pass up, we come look and see what I go on, because we don't know nothing about, you know what I say? And the reason we do good, remember one they tell us, but the reason really very nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that must make you feel great as a little youth.
Yeah, man.
Because them time I'm a big superstar.
But I want to tell you, say, even then time I know me having big, I never having big then time I wasn't big because I see how big him was. Anyway, come back a country at the first time. Second time, now, it's not me and Tex, it's my youth name, Jimmy Baxter. Used to sing with a youth name, Upton James. Upton James, the recording, if you go up on YouTube and type Upton James, there's so much recording in Gala Foreign. That one the bus. Still, the one named Jimmy Baxter, remaining go for Bob Marley, in Gala Foreign too. So him the bus in the music. So the second time, I me and him go. I carry music, me and him do a song and me do a song on a cassette. So the two of us song upon one cassette. Him do a song named Worries and me do a song named Pouring Down. So we are carried into Marley. Because I go to Marley already and they know me, you know. So I go in by the second time now. So I go with something now. Feel nice. So me and Jimmy go in. Anyway, when we go in, see Marley, man reason you good again and tell him what to do. We do what him say we're supposed to do. The secretary give one paper and say we must say, this man, on the paper, Mark Sangy Davis. I forgot. So if this studio manager, him, I go listen to the music on the cassette we carry. I say, yeah man, I will do that. I wait for Sangy. So you don't know, say when we do that with Sangy, then say, we go on the airport, I forget, and pick up some things. Anyway, when he come, at evening, you see me? Come at evening. So when we go on the rear shell room, we go on the rear shell room, show ourselves around us how to go. We go around there, we go see Juna Tucker and two ladies. I think it was the IT. Then tell me how you want to really know how it is, but they might teach Juna Tucker how to sing a song. And the song is like this. Juna Tucker sing, how long shall I wait? You know love don't come easy. It's a game of give and take. You can't hurry love. No, you just have to wait. And the one must stop him every time. I say no, and that's what the part go. If you keep up your voice, pan the part and I teach him how to sing it. That time after now, I know it's a cover version. The tune was Michael Jackson song. With a cover.
Junior
Tucker cover it. 2 weeks after me hear the song, you know. After the I said, what's
because even I think Diana Ross as well sing it. Like several people sing it, you know.
Right. But me hear Junior Tucker one when do about 2 weeks after. I say, here you go. More links. Anyway, then say we can't get through that because Junior Tucker use the room and the lady them teach him how to sing that song. And she's a big singer already as a local youth. My little wife too, you know, but a big singer at the music. Him get the preference. So then someone have to wait till tomorrow. You don't know, so my brother now, the money too tough, you know. I mean, I beg people, you know. We don't beg Marley nothing. I'm not afraid to talk on the interview. When I say if we did beg him, I wouldn't give it.
Right.
But we say we are satisfied. The brother will put buy 2 bulla. And the brother will say the ripe banana and bulla and say, I will buy 2 bulla and 2 ripe banana. He said, look, Junior Tucker took out a bill for that watch me, I watch man one. As a little boy, I come from a school, I come from even to come practice music, you know. You see the man lunch and buy a big fish with rice. And I said, what's the blood club? We can buy 2 ripe banana and 2 club. But when I watch something, I say, then could you guys sing?
Something now go on, man.
So anyway, then so we can't get through till tomorrow because Junior Tucker use the rehearsal room. So then say tomorrow. My brother look at me and now and say, boy, yeah, my culture. You know, say, I can't go papi and go sleep, but I one room. And my brother and the woman live up there. I don't know where I go do. I said, but tell me now, no money if you go back to country and come back. And I said, well, I can't find my brother place. Because one woman and brother live with the woman and picnic and squeeze my squeezing. So you can't fight him. You know, I wonder where I go to come in and the money if you go back to country, if you come back again tomorrow if you get a little trial. You know, like just say, you just walk around the back and make a little look, no, man. I'm just make a walk in and go in the back and look and I'm going to come up and some rasta around there. They make up some little bamboo house, gone down, so them have, you know, a smoke and sitting. And just reason with one of them, man. I'm going to reason one of the Rastaman. Man say, no problem, you can't stay with me for the night when I say, man, you know, up. I say, what? You need to go on your front. Go tell Jimmy, say, yo, hear me, brother. You can't go on a papi. Yeah, right. Rasta them, so I can't sleep when I back. And you go on a papi. You see the night there? When you go on a papi, you know, I get to see Bob Marley, I do live music. You know, because they have a studio when I back on the record shop at the front. I get to go see my do like the man, then give me tea, then give me food. I get everything. You see, when he come in, man, I tell him, wow, I'm experience. Vex saying never this. Because space in here for him too, you know. But he have him brother, papi, and he can go sleep. So.
And you have to give Marley a whole heap of credit for that now because it's a man who opened his heart to the people. Open him heart to the people, man.
And then I wake up all of the morning now, I'm virgin come here, I tell him, and feel away if you know, so I get that little experience. Like, actually, for the whole night, I watch him, and you cannot imagine as a youth, and I get that experience that me do and get, I miss that. Anyway, in the day now, Sangy Davis come and I get the child now in the room, because the room empty now, we go. Carry the cassette and everything. Remember me tell you, I've made music upon the one cassette. Anyway, my biggest singer for me too, you know. Jimmy, you know, kind of sing with Hope a big singer.
Right.
Yeah, but I'm going to say Jimmy no boss, but he must sing before me. You know, when Sangy Davis take the cassette from me and put it in the
Tape
tape
deck. Mm-hmm.
and turn on it, yeah, Jimmy music I play. The music is like this. It just worries, worries, worries. It just worries, 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 worries. Worries. I go uptown, it's the same crying. I go in the country, it's the same crying. It just worries, worries, worries. It just worries, 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 worries. And Sangy Davis stop and said too much worries in it. Might use up too much worries in it. Put in some more other words away from worries.
Mm-hmm.
But when you watch him and I sing him and I tremble, all right, then Sangy Davis tell him, say, no, say, all right, like I have to take my time to sing with him more. My bigger singer for me, you know. When me look and see Jimmy, I sing the song, see the man and I tremble so. And then for me trial next, you know. For me trial next. And the man and I tremble so, I myself, and I say, blow on the heart, and I'm me next now. The man that bigger singer for me, and I tremble so.
But you went to hear your song.
Anyway, he sing and Sangy Davis tell him, say, yeah, you go, see that song, you like, but see that song, too much worries in it.
Yeah.
I forgot arrange it up more better, take out some of the worries. That's how I say about film song. He said, where my song? I said, my song up on the same cassette. You know, so Sangy Davis rewind and fast forward from now till tomorrow and can't find my song. I serious thing I tell you, know, can't find my song pouring down. Me bex, although me see my virgin and that tremble, so I say my time, me see man that tremble, so I don't want to feel like,
yeah.
you know? But me bex, because I won't never get to try. All the man a rewind, fast out and can't pick up my song pouring down. Jimmy turned to me and said, boy, I can't have the cassette. Boy, like a little nephew, do something with the cassette. Because he left the cassette in the tape.
Right.
And I don't know how come my song can't find pan it and really. Me feel like when I blame him, I don't want to feel like, say, boy, this man had do something to hurt me, you know. Nothing like that, you know.
Opportunity I look to.
Nothing like that. You know, say, Sangy Davis, all right, you are going to have to come back, man. Because I can't find for the next youth music, which is inside half panel, which is pouring down. And instead of to come back. When I remember Jimmy come out of the very shallow, I said, Jimmy, what go on? I just never feel good. Come here, say, I tour we do this song, you do your song, we do my song, and the one cassette, you keep the cassette. Oh, my song cannot play. My song never must rub off my song. My begs, and I feel like sorry listen to my song. You know, so me and him can look at begs, but we talk back still. I mean, I say, so, because me all this thing and I change me, so me all feel good, so me not get to try certain way. Come here, say, yeah, and my time not come in. That no, me kind of feel back more strong, and I say, because like when I change more Rasta. I'm a bigger man for me. I'm say in night before me, I sing pan stage and my chimble so. Anyway, you know when we reach over, brother, and we go so bounce and go back up to the tape. As he put in the, you don't believe me? As he put in the cassette and go so and touch play with me here. Pouring down, a revelation pouring down, falling down. A Babylon, me say falling down. Now is the time for you to mashing down. That's my song. Me said, what kind of miracle go on? Me don't know what go on, brother.
Wow.
Me don't know how I go on, but my song never get no try. But for me, brother, you want to get try and turn down. I'm in the feast I rub off it, and I never him rub off it. I do myself like I never, he never rub off. So, me have a clean heart for him, said way.
Yeah, thank God.
Can never him rub off nothing. Me don't know what I go on. Because me say, Sangy Davis, rewind it, he can't find it. In fast forward, he can't find it. In rewind again, that's the man that set out up time. I said, I forgot
you understand. And then mother deal with bigger artists.
We have
that's audition and audition.
But me that check, say, my brother, I'm not telling you, I check, say, I'm a virgin, Jimmy. There's something still. Come and say, how comes that happen? And you have the castle and no important the thing is, how my song rub off? No, man, something wrong, man. Are you rub off it, man? He said, no, I'm
not telling a lie, no.
Never.
I'm not telling
a
lie.
Never rub off.
I saw life go more time to you because it's easy to think them ways, you know? Especially when you look opportunity.
True.
And your virgin thing show up and your thing not show up.
Yeah, man.
You think to yourself, say, yo.
I hear him do something to it, man. That time he never do nothing to it. Look, thing we never fight, I don't care if some man they would all fight. I say, I'm a fight against him, you know? We never fight. And as we come over and put it back in a free something now and play, a hit come up. So it never rub off. But my one not get no try.
So you did ever get a chance to go back up there with that tape there?
No, little after that Bob Marley drop out. Little after. So many people give me that interest again. Come with a build up a relationship with Marley. Tell us I play all ball up there. You see one night when I sleep up there.
Yeah, you do everything.
Everything go on. Come and play all ball and even when Jimmy gone up. Up here, brother. We play ball with Burning Spear. Well, for big artists that play ball with even Marley.
Yeah.
And some other man would want for the music to come from somebody that done the country and they want for the music too. Play all ball, man. I leg all the ball when I time and Junior to come and I laugh and spoil, man. I don't know how I do it, but this skill when I look at youth, you know.
Yeah.
Not lie. And I have man flick there, I run down the ball. I run the ball, I get when I run good so I run it down.
Yeah.
And I just flick it with the so. Just flick it on so.
Yeah.
And brother, like a miracle evening. So me flick it on so.
Yeah.
I took up there so.
Get a pile? And get a pile?
Where you call pile?
When the ball go head.
No, go over him head. It go right in him and lick him in his belly and come back to me. And that's why the man didn't laugh. Everybody just go and laugh. Because when he thinks he could control it, just lick him in his belly and come back to me. But me don't know, you don't come like a run me and kick it, so, you know, brother. So hard the ball go to him, you know. It surprised me too.
Yeah, come back, come sit down. I'm scared to the camera. So you say, is that everything you had for that evening there?
I said that evening was wonderful, man. You mean I tell you, man, wonderful.
And the man them treat, because the man they a bigger man for you at that point. So the man them treat you as one of them own.
I tell you, man, we get everything, food, tea, all the night for drink.
So what was the journey like going back home on the bus? Because you must feel a way when you on the bus and go home as well. So you never get...
Yeah, man, I still have it in my mind, say, Jimmy, we have my song, man. And when we come back now, me and him, man, we put in a free sitting now, in a free tape. And the music start playing when we get for relief. And so, boy, some kind of miracle going on, I don't know what's going on.
Wow.
But all coming back, me I say, him do something to the tape. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, are you happy, you know? Are you responsible? So what if you think, you're one player, my one can't play. So me never wrong for you think that way, but I'm glad for know say it never that go that way. I never saw it.
You know, the best. Yeah, man, culture, I love your story, them, you know what I mean? Listen, within a St. Mary, big up St. Mary people. Anybody who come from, which area exactly are we in St. Mary? Anata?
Anata Bay.
All right, so in Anata Bay, anybody who come from this area, let us know. And remember, you can go to my website, kareemsquest.com, to find more cultural stories about Jamaica, and as well as places where you can visit in Jamaica. And you can email me if you're coming to Jamaica and you want an itinerary done in terms of where you should visit, where you should learn different things about our history and about our music and culture. I can do that for you. Just go to my email. It is kareemsquest@gmail.com. Love the support that you're giving me. As usual, you're always welcome to join the quest.
Yeah, blessed man, one love man.